Hello, ladies, gentlemen. This video is going to be on substitution with negative numbers, so let's get started. All right. Consider the following number line. So we have this number line. N is clearly 2. P we don't know, but we know that this is negative 4. So does counting by 1 make sense? So if this was 2, count by 1, this would be 1, 0, negative 1. Nope, that doesn't make sense. So what if we count by 2? So if this is 2, this would be 0, negative 2, negative 4. Yep, that works out. So 2 minus 2 is 0, minus 2 is negative 2, and then negative 4. Good. So now that we have that, n plus p is, don't get lazy, write this out. Right? Write it out. It's going to make the problem a lot easier to solve. So, or evaluate. N is 2 plus P is negative 2. So 2 plus negative 2 is 0, and that's the answer to this problem. Let's do the next one, folks. Consider the following number line. What's E minus F? So once again, what are we counting by? Well, it doesn't look like we're counting by ones, because that would be 2, 1, negative 1. Nope. 2. Let's see if we're counting by 2s. 2, 0, negative 2, negative 4. Yep, that seems to be correct. So this is 0. This is negative 2. We don't really, negative 4. We could put negative 6 here. We don't really need it for this problem. Counting by 2 up, this would be 2. This would be 4. So E minus F, well, E is negative 2 minus F is 4. So we have negative 2 minus 4, or negative 2 and negative 4, which gives us our answer of negative 6. Let's go to the next one. Evaluate negative 4 plus W plus negative X minus 4, where W equals negative 6 and X equals 3. So I always like to write directly underneath the problem. So do I have any double negatives here? No, so I don't have to rewrite anything. So let's see what we get. Negative 4 plus W gets replaced with negative 6. I'm going to put that in parentheses because I don't like to have two signs next to each other. Plus, open parentheses, negative, what does X get replaced with? X gets replaced with 3, close parentheses, minus 4. So I'm looking at this. Let's change the color here so I can draw my commas. I don't have any double negatives, so I can look at this as negative 4 and negative 6 and negative 3 and negative 4. All right, these are all negatives, so that's kind of easy to deal with. Negative 4 and negative 6 is negative 10. Negative 10 and negative 3 is negative 13. Negative 13 and negative 4 is negative 17. And there's our answer. I believe we have two more. There's a lot of these. I think I put in one too many extras. All right, what if we use the same W and X as the last one, but this problem's a little different. All right, I'm going to let you know right now, this is one that people mess up on, so that's nice. Pay close attention. All right, so let's go. Negative 4 is just negative 4. Minus W now is a negative 6. Now, many of you are tempted to just write negative 6 here, right? But if you do that, you're going to mess up. W is negative 6. You can't just leave that negative sign there and think, oh, I could just put a 6 here now. It's really negative 6 that W needs to replace. So that's minus a negative 6. See how that's a double negative? That's the key. A lot of people mess that up, at least when you first start learning this. Plus negative, what's X? 3, okay, minus 4. So now that I did that, I have this double negative I need to contend with. So I need to change that to negative 4 plus 6 plus negative 3 minus 4. All right, if I put my commas in, I'll do those in red. I get see what I get. Negative 4 and positive 6 is positive 2. Positive 2 and negative 3 is negative 1. Negative 1 and negative 4 is negative 5. All right, and that's the answer to that one. So don't mess this up. Minus W would be minus negative 6, not just negative 6. You have to put minus negative 6. Let's go to the last one. All right. How about this? What does it appear to be counting by? Well, if this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it looks like we're counting by ones. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, that's 5. This is negative 1, negative 2. So y plus z would be y is 3 plus z is negative 1. So 3 plus negative 1 is 2, and I believe that's the last one. Yes, it is. Enjoy your day, evening, whatever it is.